Hi guys, welcome to ArtTube. I am Ritu and in today's video I am gonna convert my plain white shoes into fancy leopard print shoes. So let's get started. Firstly, remove the lace and use masking tape where you don't want to paint, but I am quite comfortable without masking tape, so I am not using it. I am using two metallic acrylic color, bronze and gold. Firstly, I am taking bronze color and making the spots randomly in different shape and size. And now I am using golden color. Next, I am using the black acrylic paint and outlining the spots. Make sure that each outline should be different from each other so that it will look more random and natural. I am also making some small black spots to fill the gaps and to make it look even more natural. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.